everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a software engineer or just curious about the latest in tech, today's video is for you. We're diving into the game-changing AI tool that's making waves in the software development world, Devin AI. Are bugs haunting your software development process? You're not alone. Software engineering is one of the most competitive industries globally. From small businesses to mid-level enterprises, everyone needs robust software to expand their reach and connect with customers. According to Radix Web, a staggering 84% of software engineering projects are based on enterprise applications. 53% focus on work automation and 38% are e-commerce related. From coding to testing, the field is full of sub-roles, and when code doesn't work, it often means starting from scratch. This can be a real time drainer and quite hectic. But what if there was a way to make this process smoother and more efficient? Enter Devin AI, an artificial intelligence tool designed to assist in writing flawless code. Created by Cognition, a company founded by Scott Wu, Devin AI has been a hot topic since its launch. Initially, some software engineers feared it might replace their jobs, but it's now clear that Devin is here to assist, not replace. Let's explore some key features of Devin AI platform. First up, we have the auto-completion of code. Writing code repeatedly can be extremely time-consuming. Devin's AI understands the context as you type and predicts what comes next, writing it automatically. Next, we have syntax error detection. Errors can disrupt the entire coding process, but with Devin's in-depth evaluation abilities, you can catch and fix errors early, making development stress-free. Devin supports multiple coding languages, including JavaScript, Python, and many more. This means you can code in your preferred language without any hassle. Remember the days when code optimization was all manual? Devin's advanced algorithm optimizes your code automatically, making the process seamless. Bugs can mess up your entire code base. Even a few lines of error can affect thousands of lines of code. Devin's real-time debugging feature detects and helps fix issues as they occur. So how do you get started with Devin AI? It's simple. Step first is sign up. First, sign up on the Devin platform. You can use your Google account, GitHub, or even your email. Step second is to request early access. Next, request early access. Since Devin is in beta testing, you'll need approval to start using it. Step third is to integrate into your workflow. Once approved, integrate Devin into your workflow to enhance your coding process. Step fourth is to write in simple language. Devin understands simple, natural language. So, outline your project requirements clearly and simply. Step fifth is to review the code. Finally, review the code generated by Devin AI and make any necessary adjustments. Now you might be wondering if Devin AI is based on GPT-4. While the team hasn't confirmed this, we know Devin uses a mix of advanced algorithms, large language models, and machine learning. According to Cognition, Devin has successfully resolved 13.86% of errors in projects. This high success rate makes it a powerful tool for software development, enhancing productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Here are some ways you can use Devin AI. Software development. Assist in developing code for any project. Writing code. Predicts and completes code efficiently. Compilation and execution. Helps compile and execute code, optimizing and suggesting improvements along the way. In conclusion, Devin AI is revolutionizing software development, allowing engineers to focus more on creativity and problem solving. It's designed to boost productivity and reduce errors. If you're looking to streamline your coding process, Devin AI is definitely worth a try. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next video.